Hello everyone. Today I will show you how you can create a Turnitin account without having a class ID. First, open your web browser and go to the official Turnitin website. On the home page, look for the option that says Create Account. Click on it and you will see different account types. Turnitin mainly offers student, instructor, and administrator accounts. If you are a student, it is important to understand that Turnitin normally requires a class ID to join a class. There is no legal way to create a full student account without one. However, some teachers invite students directly by email. If your instructor sends you an email invitation, you can create your account by clicking the link in that email. In this case, you do not need to enter a class ID manually. If you want to create an account without a class ID on your own, the correct option is to choose Instructor Account. Click on Instructor, then click Next. You will be asked to enter your personal details. Open the email from Turnitin and click the verification link. Once verified, your instructor account will be active. With this account, you can create your own classes and generate class IDs if needed. Always remember to use Turnitin according to its rules and your institution's policies. Never try to bypass restrictions in unsafe ways. Thanks for watching.